Hello everyone, here in front of me I've got from the brand Masdi, also known as Jackie Kim Diecast, but now they're called Masdi. An Audi A8L, which means it's a little bit longer than the normal version, from 2021 in a 1/64 scale. We have some more information. Yay, we got a barcode and article number, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Is it a licensed product? Well, I don't think so. We see that a lot with Chinese brands. I don't think it's chrome. Do I have more models from this brand? Yeah, I have a lot. It's a really good diecast brand. It would be cool if they get a license for their cars, because look at this beauty right here. Very nice paint. And as you can see, we also have a colored interior. No license plate, unfortunately, but I do have a German license plate, so I can fix that. What's on the side? Don't know what's on the side. Very good rolling wheels, authentic rims, a nice sunroof over here. Lanced lights here in the back, A8 the horse, so I think it says, yeah, that's it, horse. Metal base with a silver exhaust and details. Yeah, let's be honest, this is a very cool model and I like the paint. Yeah, I need to wear gloves, that would be better. Let's try to have a good look in the interior. See, we have the Audi logo in the middle. And also from the other side, let's see if we have some. No, I don't think we have. It's a little bit difficult to see. Let's zoom in. See if we can get this focused. And there we go. No Audi logo on the steering wheel, but I don't see any color details on the dashboard. Let's go to normal. Let's have a look here. Yeah, there is some color detail in the middle, not that much, and also the dashboard has a gray color, which is already really good. Yeah, I have to say I love this. I like this model a lot, especially because it comes with a metal base, silver exhaust details, good rolling tires, nice profile on the tires, lanced lights in the front and in the back, nice sunroof. I like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.